live YouTube. Enti mpacha oba me YouTube channel ne so a na obo de no refresh me YouTube channel no. Or refresh page na wo de bra form or refresh ya no akọ live ho. So obala even obo say me live any. Now go home no cry na you see say me live on cyber security in tree network vulnerabilities. But more than me aso na enjoy. So but you want join me na ma me shout out and sana me the phone na cat me the phone no a join wo TikTok. But you join me. Why? But more than join me this year. But you join me now ba na wa ma me shout out join me now ba na wa ma me shout out YouTube mesra o join me now ba na wa ma me shout out to YouTube because na the end there say omo amman wi a be hye me pa ti me so me pese wo be me se sebio be me ya se wo akọ join ni obi network na yetumi abo modern ayi yeyam abo okro no ayi onioma ewo o phone so nyina de akọ no na ya na emwa Eighteen Pacho say if you watching me right now, Pacho join me on YouTube right now. CCA na yemfa enyomano and so. Very good say ubenya this kind of media way. TikTok some style. Omono obi report bibia. They don't just like omo shishu muansa. Omo ya pena omo ye free. O isan say yem so no. Well, o de mamen kama no empado. So, enti abusian for mesra mo me switch it to me phone no me switch it to me phone no right now me switch it to me phone no right now tino me cut me TikTok no right now na me free TikTok live na fe maba me phone so na fe ya share what is actually going on na bibia so to me timbacho amunyo ene me me phone so mesra mo madaroma yeah. Nipa jina so pa kofo e flag mi nipa be na 100 ni jina so TikTok for pa o me something what is this and endra me ye o mo flag me come here phone pa okay yo abusia for you live e wo YouTube on so ntino TikTok for nyina betumi join ye e wo YouTube na bibia so etumi ai kama just as I said no ene ye be hwe ne o ma bi ene yebehwe nioma bi yebema nioma bi aye nioma bi ama nioma bi atumi aye nioma bi enti join me YouTube na bibia nso entumi enye kama me try best to come live on my phone send be ya bibia betumi aye kama I don't know but I will try my possible best to share my screen to you guys. All right. Oba YouTube na o ma me aya o ma me alert say wa ba YouTube na ya hwe na yetumi aye bibia na bibia nso aye kama me ba cha oba YouTuber na wa ma me ehun say wa ba YouTube na bibia nso aye kama yeah meaning the Microsoft original yes me hu say shell stack aba hello yeah kwaku PTV ono so aba yeah evening bro me hu say Daniel Ajimai. Yeah. I say, how do I get your Python course? How much? Python course near 400 Ghana. Yes. And so open me Python course and patch out send me WhatsApp message. Me WhatsApp so now you taking it from there. Okay. Okay. That is just by the way. Yen shasi yen share. And then kasafa network vulnerabilities. Now, me say by the end of the edition, by the end of the session, you would probably understand a whole lot of things. Na you per se install nmap, right? So you better say pip install python hyphen nmap, right? Near to me install nmap no so a war a year yeah machines great so young clear near here so here say if we can still run the scanner so we need net interface minimum how okay you know what let me just go straight to my repository So I have this repository here, right? My repository we want. I'm including everything I see inside the repository. Now, me run the wahana me mamon share senya esifati. You see, one thing you have to understand, and they say, me script way, no. The moment you hit run, it will actually start everything for you. So this is my interceptor. Your friend no, me and mama ni net scepter, net scepter, net scepter. Now maybe with this cyber security research team be and no me nyamfa ho asem mai. Me de ho asem no ebeba later on. Yeah, me de ho asem no beba actually. Inti no mo a mo pese mo join a year sa platform ni nyina no edru on ma I will talk about it so that you guys can be part of it na bibia e come up. Now yensha de bi ewa. You see on me system we no one ubetumi scan for networks. Now I share device do are connected to internet no share me pamocho. Meaning, with all due respect, enko joining ubi network and funny free. Nane adia ye free and share them ni ho. Tieni pao. Adia ye free and share them ni ho. Mo sorry a bra na untwa me hotspot. Bra na untwa me hotspot. Bra na untwa me hotspot. You're very careful. You're very, very careful. Because say obi or your cyber security aspect and so a yemi tool way more utiate. The India maker say utiate and say young man say me network am me why. What you mean joining me network? Fine. Say me person me huni pa do joining me network na. And no answer my ball one, which is scan network. Which is scan network, right? Now, minyabo enter share. Oh yeah, I have to run this in a sudo command. Hold on, mame exit it. All right, I have to run this in a sudo command, baby. I think sir. Okay, hold on, maybe. Maybe this here. You better run no as. Okay, maybe say AI no a generated direct link the man wa. Na me using from a hard direct, but in kebe sudo any ebe sudo Python network scanner. Yeah. Into say ya net here sudo Python network scanner. Right. Now my bomb a password. All right, great. So now make to me a room say no. Young fans and me who networks do are connected to my computer no, at the same time right now. A very simple. Me hede one na me bo enter a scanner for networks are connected to my computer here. And ya 6 devices. And ya 6 devices. A loaded 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Omu nyina any. We mu nyina ye devices are connected to a me network CCA ya make say. Hwɛ me wo Kali Linux ɛwɔ ha. Ɛno ne ne first one no. Me wo Windows computer I me use wa ha. Me wo me MacBook esi akyira ha. Me wo MacBook esi akyira ha. Ɛno no ka ho 3. Me phone ye 4, me wife phone ɛyɛ 5. Ɛna brother ko a ɔwɔ ye fie ha no mama ne internet. Ɔno nso ka ho 6. So 6 devices ni nyina ni. Ebi mu wo ho no ma ɔmo nye active. But you see, not this only. One thing I made to me I say, made to me view device information. The other say be a me pay Kali Linux no home information. I made to me say okay 1. The answer information ikura. Show. I say omo connected to me network ni nyina omada. Omo nyina da. By now no omada. It me call me search for device number 1, which is first IP address which is me Linux operating system no, and then a device number 1 no. Now see the moment I scan no, tini power and then me go YouTube, but your TikTok for flag me. Ain't no won't need me YouTube channel now. Mami who comment section I say na me ma and redirect him right YouTube na be heche because TikTok for flag me and them pon and them young point. Yes. It won't say I catch me say me use Linux operating system. Even I'm me IP, me MAC address. Ain't it what connected to my network? You see, hold on. Let me see why. Okay. All right. Ain't it? On say menya IP address. Enye we nko seriously, I can even make me okay, me person me view another device information. Yeah, yeah, we Intel corporate, so we like a Windows computer, Intel machine. We Asus, me computer no, Asus machine and no ni me Windows machine there too no. And Intel corporate no, I think say no yeah guy na mama no internet will be fear on any device ni. It will no nim what do I say? Onim enti ma me hwɛ ni device ne home information. So me any me ba se anoma device number no number 3 na me bo enter. Now me bo enter hwɛ any or a active device or use ni sisi a making. Make us sisi or use. Enti ade ba ko a me was we view information and a me view. Right? View information and me view. 2 make me monitor traffic. Traffic monitoring. Me patcho my main from YouTube my main from YouTube channel name and pin in comment section I say. Ike Tech in Tree. Me patcho me okay. Me patcho me pin comment no ewo me TikTok no ase. Enti hwe se me come monitor traffic bra ni bie Google abinya, obie YouTube menya, obie Netflix menya, obie Instagram menya, obie Facebook menya. Menya link na direct. I'll make like me monitor near all ye, me monitor die bia all ye. Right? Okay, me to me run a connection test. Me person me say device no active na. It yan share guy ni device yan say active. So yan ko option 3 which is run connection test. Number ni saying number 3 ni IP ni 3. Yan select ni here. Okay. Yanya warning bi wa ha. E try say ne LAN cable no wa connected to internet ni de ba wa hibernate ni device no. On. So on say the packet capture me the monitor for any packet no running. The packet capture me the capture every link no and running. This means say it be a computer is you but they idle, it be a hibernate, it be a near doom. Protocol detection a warning. A catch say Charlie, I know if you get anything safe. And a network interface near info. Trust say make you menya the network no information. Fine. Now me ba and catch me say me need sufficient permission to work on this. The reason being is nipa no ne device near in hibernation mode, but just our connected to the internet. What do you say? Now firewall, maybe a firewall block capture no man, but that's fine. You bet me a check it for yen checking number 4. Number 4 ni device bay. Number 4 ni or ebe my wife phone. So my main checking number 4. So make me a say still now no me monitor traffic, right? Oh no device information see your device information. So device information on number 4. So IP ni which is the 4th number no and only IP any. So let's look at something. You share how this is probably going to be. Now, yes, when you say active, ne port ni, but the service ye ne version so ye unknown. But so what share unknown so ne die no. The same thing. I don't think that this is my wife phone no. Because phone the currency or me so. But that was just by the way. That was just by the way. Yɛnhwɛ number one. Yɛnhwɛ number one, which is Mekali Linux. Na ɛno deɛ ɛno na me use CCA no. Nti yɛnhwɛ number one, which is Mekali Linux. Na deɛ no. Yɛnhwɛ how the monitoring is probably going to be, because ɛno deɛ CCA me use. So yɛnkɔ view details information. Ni yɛnkɔ option 1, which is Kali Linux no operating system no. Ɛno ne yɛ checking home information no. Right. Nti yɛnhwɛ adeɛ bi wa. Okay, let's just wait. For the magic to happen. Just bra YouTube CCA. Bra YouTube CCA. Bra YouTube CCA. Bra YouTube CCA. Yo YouTube live. TikTok for flaggy. TikTok for flaggy. What I say? It here on the way. Ama me the full dito. Oh, as ama me the full dito. So, ama me full dito nina. Ama me dito nina. Okay, yen checking monitoring. Yen has a bit to me monitor device now. Right. Okay, you there run a connection test. Yen has a device near activa. So yen call option 3. Yen call option 3. Then yen selected for number 1. Shadie. Generate. So now when I go into my browser and try to open it, ping it. The moment they ping it, Google na me you know, a generated traffic from google.com, any www.google.com. Okay, now me you know, enya packet capture running, packet capture success, protocol detection success, network interface info success. Just a computer we know. Let me have full access. What is it? Now, Semeba Asia Hanuma, I can then go ahead and then monitor this device traffic. You see, this is what I'm really talking about. Yeah, it's Yonko option 2. Now, Yen choose IP version, IP number 1. So from IP number 1, selected there. Look at what is going to happen. Okay, although me wo Google no has a refresh here, it is detecting and monitoring, right? Okay. Now, Busa said, do you want to proceed with full traffic? I'll just say yes. On say a BA GUI na make Canada monitoring no has started. A capture every traffic be a maybe and batch me and me building you be an a building wadama. It is a meba na me call baby to say TikTok. Is it me visit TikTok, alright. But say me call me network and so look at what is happening. Shaniesiwa. We are under connection. So actually me protocols are me working on. Actually me timestamp are me de using this protocol. Actually me destination IP address are ever. Actually me port are use at that moment. Actually me service and actually me status. So what really happens here? And I say the moment I make DNS activities no here, I can see everything. TikTok na me be in here. TikTok na me be in here. TikTok, any TikTok.com. Here, my main shop. Make me a right click it. Make a look up. Make me a DNS lookup. Oh, DNS in here. Me who send the web TikTok.com na me be here. The DNS. That is fine. Well, you know, it's really good. You share WHO. Yeah, ready. Oh yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, no problem. They say you're still under production. Ain't you know? Don't worry. Who say Aerobia Bampacho? You're still under production. Because I'm a young woman. So what do I say? And I mean, Nioma Bibrewa Uko under Ube to me. I reverse DNS. No, I share baby domain post IP ne baby a free ankasa eba. So where this is coming from, no ube to me home. And then no kwa. And the security ube to me who say a SSL certificate approved that. You see everything here. From TikTok.com, a verified, a valid certificate na yɛ active bibia yɛ powerful me ba cho fa che me sa anye ya so well what you are looking for fa che me because me and ma build the way from scratch and you be there me and me there wa da roma me and me there wa da roma. All right, now your bus security make me check security headers. Oh, we tiktok.com our headers. Oh, sorry, I try my headers are easy way. It's not like say we use nicto now what they are here vulnerability analysis ɛwɔ nicto. So in the sense we use lookup no and I say we use a command in a friend is saying nicto I perform a task bi no me my no into a GUI form for you nti wo be hu bibia wa enye no nko a there are many things you can do wobetumi ahwɛ DNS security. Well, DNS security ni bɛka information bebree afa saa website na nipa ne visit yɛ no ho. It is a azigi website na nipa ne visit ya, definitely you would be able to see what is going on. Right, enye no nko a afi oba under security under tools a metumi abie saa ne website na ono ni bie metumi abie wo me browser me patcho tie eye me na ma build the system not from scratch and you be there eye me na ma build the system not from scratch and you be there wada roma. The same thing applies metumi a copy domain no now me copy domain no na me ba ebia note mu na se note no me be ma adwen se me paste e wa ha no ma he domain na me copy nini oh inti copy no so eye adwuma kama enti metumi a pingi domain name no na ma hwe how a domain name no ni protocols ne adesifate oh and me pingi wa ha no enti my system ni in such of a way say very easy for cyber security for no mo cyber security need to use it. And last but not the least ubetumi a export site na nipa na visit on the computer no so no ubetumi a export the cookies no baby a opese wo di cookies neto no ubetumi a export now the cookies no ato ho so simple ti what they call desktop and no say ubechu su baby a they call they call desktop na me save now a save akwa desktop no any it is a mnyako desktop sisi ya eda ho niama bebre na ubetumi aye ubetumi a export as CSV ubetumi a save to file ubetumi a clean DNS history of sa network no niama bebre na me dia shim now yeko connection ho ni enhwade. So technically with the connection there are some couple of things you probably have to know. Ubetumi a scan a port no to see what is going on. You see, on this port UDP, on this port way right now, my main scanning with a quick scan I had it. So port me scanning any port in you closed and you open. Yeah, scan. Ubetumi a call vulnerability scan. You betumi a scan it for vulnerability on that port. Check it for basic securities, like around the basic security checks. So I'm still working on this. So technically by a week time no, I will update it. So what I say? Yes. So it will check all vulnerabilities on the system, and then everything should probably be working. Yeah, you see. So port 53 information status near closed, service near domain version near extra information nya. Not an one thing we could probably do is say you bet me a scanning in a boom like a full port scan. You're running full port scanner, a bet every single thing which is going on. All the ports now yes I can this system now make creating a superb, a very very fantastic, a very very nice, a very very interesting. And so woka will be use now they are any oma bibria. Charlie, trust me. Ube to me use ama one kasa we flipper. Ube to me a check it traffic analysis. Yes, and I ube to me also a check it for connection state. So everything, like everything. Send yanka wodi Kali Linux basic in the same thing now me to me boa compiling in the best way using your friend say Python to program everything for you. And you know kwa tools are ube to me a tracy route. Yeah, ube to me a tracy route. Now what is going on? Like I mean, what is really going on? And I feel there are other things you can do with it. Because the script in Ankasa the end run it is actually monitoring everything. It's still my monitor. This will close when I close the GUI. By young close to GUI and things are really working fine. Right. Yes. Any. So a whole lot of things. Okay. All right. So you bet me a copy IP. You bet me a ping it IP. Just send me kind of. You can ping it, and it's really gonna work. So what I say. And okay. All right. What do you need? You had your you close the name back. You close the name back. So you share view details. You have monitor device traffic, run testing. So you share interact with device. This option is very, very important. Interact with device. So you can see you interacting with device at your option 4. Now, you interacting with first computer. Now, you bet to me execute command. You bet to me send a custom TCP packet. You bet to me send a custom UDP packet. You bet to me a wiki on LAN. You bet to me test it for vulnerabilities. You bet to me so I return it back home. TN check is a network now IP address na inya na vulnerabilities bia. So that is on the 5th one. Hit enter. Near shadi. Right. So vulnerabilities found. Port 22 on this SSH. There is vulnerability there, which is to be honest, my Jimmy sir, no information about the Bible. Okay. All right. So you share option 4 no. Then here. So device name MAC address no. You bet to me use device name MAC address. So remember say, ye check ni na no. Ye device no MAC address, which is this one. Right? So me call edit no MAC copy. Now me paste you. Oh, sorry. Me paste. Right. Now I hit enter. Now my wiki on LAN packet. I send it successfully. So I can then communicate with sa device now. My working on it. What do you unim? Meba minimity amekasa. All right. Let's do a recap. Send a bit to me back. I'm still working on it. So say when I ya uko clone repository no way full dito full nya na man how because send them din kan cry no it's still under construction. I go so a ye hwa ye ho adwuma bibia so ebetumi ai kama. Ma making kan comment kakra. Oh, was the sound is poor on YouTube? Okay. Maybe say I don't know if it's good right now. If it is good right now. Maybe I'm YouTube for Bacho YouTube for mommy who say because I'm just trying my best to let things comes really cool. All right. Enti me wɔ nneɛma bebree ɛwɔ ɛyɛ me system ni mu a I can really present to you. Ɛnra say about ɛkwan a nkurɔfoɔ fa so wia nkurɔfoɔ password using software bi. Na oh papa mic nem brown. Okay. Na papa ɛkwan a nkurɔfoɔ fa so wia nkurɔfoɔ password. Yes. Yes. Na me pese me kyerɛ na nkurɔfoɔ te aseɛ. Okay, so mame enye and also demonstration kakra na mo hwɛ adeɛ. So yɛmfa ne sɛ okay, well, mame nkɔ me repository nim. Ebia no be interested so obakɔ see that is fine. But bear in mind adeɛ bi a me yɛ bia na enye toy. Ɛyɛ waa na wo no waa na wo pese wo yɛ waa adeɛ na wonya wow problem ɛyɛ wow problem ɛno no me mfa me ho. What do you say? And me and family. Okay. So one thing we have to know is sa browser password still away. Very very useful. Enye fediagoro. Like it really works a lot. Juma pa. Juma pa. Enti wa opese ye testing no. Mami hu comment section ase. Wa open cookies na so de no. Mami hu comment section ase. Ni en test which of them should we test? Na yenhwe. Which of them should we test? Alright, mami can comment kakra ewo TikTok. Okay. Okay. Oh, mesenya flag bi mo. Masenya flag bi mo. Masenya flag bi mo. Okay, yemfa cookies ne de no emra. Now de yempon because my saying a flag. Yemfa cookies ne de emra. Now de yempon. Okay, so from cookies no, very simple. Just send ya mekan no. Yemfa ne say ye pese yenya cookies no near the lie. YouTube name no Ike Tech in Tree. Ike Tech in Tree. YouTube name Ike Tech in Tree. So pese o test ya very simple. Mpacho officially in my website no asaba back online into what I call afriland.com biano afriland.com me official website. I'll be to me alcohol information about me and I'm actually working on it. Send I can be able to let people subscribe and then do a whole lot of things my platform you so and I'll be to me I mean one more interesting thing is you can also be part of my upcoming team. We when you ye enkofo a omagye atum se omo beye me students. Omo ne me beko intino whenever I launch my website now, I launch my login portal now, they will be able to get their own dashboard, their own account, they log in and then they can start learning something. And the person who apply very simple, me apply with so yeniska apply as a student within the same. But within share we email you saying or phone number you saying because and only idea you be to me their ritual CCA no send me upload the BBCCA ya omo subscribe to me newsletter no omo sabeka students ni nyina so en sabeka so what I say and I will be to me select a course what to me hoping now course now what to me ho no na we beginner now we intermediate and I say we advanced and also be selected we select we are okay. What to course no? I mean, emphasis ben when you also. And as I didn't know we hear sa course no so person who now ben. Should be big credit we pay submit application that's all. That's all. And you feel you be GB before that's all. And no pay. So, ain't you know we so about me about my courses. Where course now make my Python course very powerful. Very very powerful. And I'm a ethical hacking course no in ye. Now this course no senia is here powerful. Ike Tech in Tree. IKETECH. Ike Tech. Ike Tech in Tree. Ike Tech in Tree. Ike Tech in Tree. To wait to me come a website ne so. O konso a obetumi subscribe to me newsletter no. Na bibia kama me upload bibia you'll be able to get it na bibia so to me edit akọ opese read about me about hear me information information bebree, and I mean it's really good to get that as well. Right. Okay. So enough of the talking. Yanko GitHub neso. Yanko he kwan a yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ bibi kakra. So yanko me GitHub neso. So github.com na yɛmfa /ikesoft emra. Right. So from a hanom no, me browser password stealer by yɛnhwɛ cookies no. Right. So me call repositories. So from repositories no, me will cookies no ha. Right. I think that okay. Any me will cookies stealer ha. So my main click it on so a private repository. So I don't know, but all the same way, my main so I mean call download. So me download it as a zip file. Any, let me download. Now I download here is just some few little file. So this is it. You see. So me right click it. Now I extract it. That same directory email. See, I'll extract all. Click on extract. Cookie daddy. So inside the HANO, that is where I will open in my VS Code. Into Meko VS Code. Now inside my VS Code, no, may remove BBA me wo habia. I'll just remove close. I'll just close the editor. I mean, okay, my mean say so close window. Oh no. So under VS Code, you create a new page. Na yanko fa yen cookies no enfamra. Right there. Perfect. So cookies name no me was single site cookies. I'm the Python natural. Right. Enti se wunya site we are. Yemfa say me pese dinya obi charge GPT premium account a very simple ni nyina ha. Me pay all cookies are in here. So me wa Telegram bot and a token me dia shim. The moment I'll be running sa software we or computer so no, I'll be able to get many access to all these cookies. Now my mention single site and send you see eduma. So single site in yemfa say me pay cookies bit say netflix.com, right? So Netflix now make on me pay no meba sa link way so now my be choose https :/ you see netflix.com, right? Now sa netflix.com where am I one the moment I me run script way no, that is what it's going to do. Ebe be me browser na a real cookies no e Netflix ni mo di amame. Already no my main channel me browser no say me wo Netflix account ampa. Say me call Netflix me wo Netflix account. Oh, we crowd them in signing in. So which browser am I using actually? Oh yeah. I think I'm using from this browser. Hold on. So what I'll do then is say me call a me code way so yeah, and okay, I use Google Chrome instead of Chrome so mean fa Netflix ningum. Okay, yemfa maybe to say youtube.com, right? Yemfa youtube.com. So YouTube. All right, so we are YouTube cookies, right? So YouTube no me say na I was me running some requirements viewer. So my main requirement na me here. So requirements need also because I'm running in young conde. So me call terminal like that. Now my running my me here information. No? So make us a pip install requests. na me di kan install request no. Oh, yeah. So my running my running request no. So pip install psutil. All right. All right. So let's try and run project in the area. Oh wait. Okay. Tie here web manager. Okay. So now here we need I think we can run it. Right, right. A close browser be a woman in so. A close browser be a close Chrome browser be a on say and one can say be Google Chrome. Hey, I call YouTube. I call YouTube no. Look at what is gonna happen. Hey, and no I be pick information over her. Any. And no I be pick over her. Hey, on say close no. A close no per any. Any. Inti ano na your friend of stolen cookies neni. Na main cho senia isifatie. Main cho senia isifatie. On sa cookies we a menya no. Metumi copy cookies we. Me copy a main ko browser min bie YouTube wo mu ye. Mo hwe browser we. Mbon se men log in. On se men sign in. Alright, so signing I mean signing in no. Meba ha na mabefa cookie editor. Now, sa cookie editor we no. Me delete cookies bi a me wo ha. Na me import a new one. So me importing ya me copy na me import. That's all. Me here username and password bia. The moment I may refresh my login in, that's all. Actually my login and make me a call dashboard studio make me a call baby me person me could be any my login me here password me here username me here with just this command that me running here just this command we keke no we are a YouTube no information amami. It is, I mean, whatever account I open, what is Shahanoma? Now, what create a single, your friend is saying, what create a single, exe file. So what I say, the man says, way tool way no, me per se minya single exe file. Oh. All right. Yeah, so go for flagging. I'm the hammer dream pow. Masanya another warning. All right, what the mammy you win? I'm fancy. I think say me ban na journey ya boa me more, but what the yeah the bisi wa hane ahwe. All right. So me pese me ye no exe ya me bo pip install pi installer. Na me install pi installer. Now, basically what a pi installer does is and then ebe ma me kwan ama me to me install it na me to me create executable file back home. Yeah. So now me pese me ye single site cookie way. Me pese I mean and then me create executable file free. Right. So make us say pi installer dash dash one file dash dash no console. Me person me show console be a dash dash clean dash dash strip dash dash UPX exclude. Um. Uh-huh. Now for me the script needing no ABBA. So in this case, single site cookies stealer dot py. Right. What is happening? Oh, typo mistake. Hold on. All right. Yeah, I build it. Maybe say I build it. Mami change dino because maybe mami change dino. Na me friend no stealer. Say stealer dot py. That would be very simple. Yeah, I build it. Okay, maybe I'm here way. I was for sending a flag no AC about twice or two times in a day. I'm just a me corner me saba. Yeah, just a me call na me saba. Because flag in a day. Anything I may recommend say. And come more than anka mumra YouTube mum because YouTube ne dey solid. YouTube ne dey solid. YouTube ne dey nka solid. Uh okay. Now, I was here for the meba. Ma men kwana men sambra. Ma men kwana men sambra. Ma hwe ya omo beje account na fe me sem. The same restart no.